to share with you a quirky tip that I do on a lot of my remodels. The end of the job at the remodeling, the paint is typically the last thing, that and punch lists. Well, when we get to the paint, I always try to have the painter write the name of the color of the paint on the back of a light switch in the room that they painted, so that if the client ever needs to get back and look, they can tell exactly what paint that was and what paint color. I get calls all the time from past clients. Hey, what was the paint color we did the living room in? I don't know. Now I just tell them to pull the light plate off and look on the back. It's a great tip. It's something you could do at home. It's something that you guys could do on your job site yourself. It's just a neat little thing, and I find it super useful. Have a great day, guys. Bye.